Okay, welcome. To use Revolve boss base, this is it. We have it at our picture tab. We need sketch and we need axis of revolution. So first thing I'm going to do is probably define my axis of revolution. To do that, go to reference geometry axis and I'm going to define using planes. I'm going to use right plane and front plane. So you can see the preview here and I have my axis of revolution here. So you can use a plane for your profile sketch, which is this top plane, because you can see we can't see it from here when we try to view it and this plane from this plane. Check this plane, you can see we have it here and this other plane we have it at this plane. Definitely we can use either of this plane. So I'm going to sketch with right plane. So this is my profile. I'm going to use a corner rectangle sketch. I'm going to first define from here to this axis. I'm dividing it to the 60 mm. So the height, the thickness of this 15. The height of this rectangle as 25. So I will trim. For that, I will add relationship, this middle, and this I will add a horizontal relationship to them that will trim, then offset the sketch 3 mm, 3 mm, and I'm going to click this and close the end with line. So I will add fillet. First fillet I will add is 0.5 mm, which we add here, these edges, and after this I will add another fillet of 1 mm radius this side. Okay, that's changing the dimension. Is going to remove that dimension. That's what the prompt is telling us. So I have to add the dimension again. I'll leave it because the dimension is not affected. So I think I'm done with the sketch. Next thing is to use my revolve boss base feature and select your axis of revolution. So it's not necessary you use 360-degree. You can reduce the size of your extrusion by changing the angle. I'm going to change it to 20 degrees now, or probably let me change it to 30. Okay, 30. Okay, good. Now you can change the position of this profile from here. So I'm going to change it to the mid plane. So we have the middle, the profile at the middle. So to use this thin feature, thin feature will not work here. So I will have to demonstrate another using another sketch, teach how to use this thin feature. So now let's stick to this and select this. So we are done. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this same front plane and I'm going to convert this sketch, these edges, I'm going to convert them into this plane that I'm sketching on. So convert entity. So I'll use stem feature now. Okay, click this. You can't see anything because this thickness of 10 mm cannot accommodate this side. Let me flip and you will see the preview. You can see thickness of 10 mm can go outside, but inward it is too much. So let me change the thickness to 2 mm. You can see the preview now inside. You can see it outside also. So I will change it to inside, and this time around I'm going to use 180 mm or probably 360 mm for SC, and I'm going to change the position also to make clean. So we can now revolve bus base this way. Good. So it's perfect. This is how to use revolve bus base, and you can edit your feature. You can edit it and change it to 360. Let's say you made a mistake. So that's how to edit feature, and you are good to go. So you see the difference. We have revolve here and we have revolve theme. That is this one, this second one was produced using theme feature. So um that's how to use revolve bus base. Another way of using revolve bus base is, let me cancel this, is when you have your axis of revolution in your sketch. So I'm going to use this same plane, this front plane, and I'm going to draw circle. I will give the dimensions to be probably um 200. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do next is to split this circle using this um using this. Okay, then I can use revolve bus base and select axis of revolution, which is right. Let's check if this is going to work. It won't work because it's a curve. So now just pick this. Then you have your axis of revolution. See, and you can change this the thickness also, probably 60 mm, and you can change the position of the profile made plane. Let's say you have previous body that you want to merge it to check it, but there is no body here to merge with. Just leave it unchecked, or you can check. Nothing we have. Okay, probably to the first 3D we formed. So now just check this, and this is how to use Revolve Bus Base in Solidworks. Next tutorial we will address how to use Sweep Bus Base. So kindly subscribe to my channel, share my video if you like this video, and don't forget to comment so that I can improve on this video. Next video. Thank you for watching.